At Madimack, we believe every pool should run smarter, cleaner and more efficiently. Our technology reduces running costs while maximising comfort, because better living should feel effortless. Every pool is different. That's why Madimack offers 3 tailored solutions. The InverECO, the InverECLIPSE, and our flagship, the InverELITE V4. The InverECO is smart and simple. With front ventilation, it's ideal for tighter spaces. Whisper quiet and cost-effective, the perfect everyday choice for small to medium pools. The InverECLIPSE blends style and performance. With its top ventilation design, ultra-quiet operation and built-in Wi-Fi, it's a powerful solution for medium and large pools. The InverELITE V4 is the world's best performing pool heat pump. With 3D ventilation, unmatched efficiency and our strongest warranty, it's built for those who want nothing but the ultimate. With Madimack, you get more than just a heater. Backed by detailed pool heating reports and expert dealer advice, you'll enjoy reliable comfort season after season. With Madimack, your pool is always ready, efficient and reliable.